Welcome to Maths Lesson 3. Let's get started on learning how to subtract with exchanging. This lesson focuses on mastering subtraction with exchanging using the column method to solve tough problems. Our goal is to use the formal written method, column subtraction, for problems involving exchanging. You will know you've succeeded when you can align numbers, subtract from the ones column, and exchange when necessary. Let's work through an example together. 152 minus 37. First, align the numbers. Next, look at the ones column. Since you can't subtract 7 from 2, you need to exchange from the tens column. The 5 becomes 4, and the 2 becomes 12. Finally, solve 12 minus 7 equals 5, 4 minus 3 equals 1, and 1 minus 0 equals 1. The final answer is 115. Let's finish this calculation together. We have 11 minus 5 equals 6 in the ones column. After exchanging, we have 3 left in the tens column, so 3 minus 2 equals 1. In the hundreds column, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Our final answer should be 216. Now it's your turn. Solve these 3 problems in your notebook using the column method. Remember to show your exchanges clearly. The problems are 453 minus 27, 682 minus 145, and 925 minus 438. Here are some you-do problems for practice. Choose the easy or hard set based on your comfort level and work through the subtractions using the column method. Check your answers for lesson 1 here. Pause the video to compare your work with the correct solutions for both the easy and hard problems. We are now moving on to Maths Lesson 4. Keep up the great work. For Lesson 4, here are the you-do subtraction problems. Again, select the easy or hard column and complete the calculations. Here are the answers for Lesson 4. Review your work and see how you did on the easy and hard subtraction problems.